Hi guys, in this video, you will learn how to create nice fireworks. First, create your composition and name it Star. Then, create a new solid and name it Star Background. Make sure to lock it and double its size. Add CC Starburst effect. Let's decrease the speed to 0.2. Great. Now decrease the size to 50. It looks good now. Let's add a rotation animation. Press R and create a keyframe at the beginning. Then, change it to -60 degrees at the end. Cool. We have a rotation animation here. Let's decrease the opacity by pressing T. Good. Now, create a new solid and name it Sky and change the size back to normal. Add gradient ramp effect to your new solid and change the end color to dark blue. Pre-compose both solids and name it Background. Let's hide it for now, we don't need it. Then, create another new solid and name it Firework. Add CC Particle System effect. Increase the birth rate to 15. And change gravity to 0, so they don't fall down. Move 2 frames forward by pressing Ctrl right arrow key and create a keyframe for the birth rate. Move 2 frames forward again and change it to 0. Change velocity to 0.3. And resistance to 20. Cool, we have a tiny explosion. You can also change the color if you want. Duplicate your solid by pressing Ctrl D. Let's name it Big Firework. And then, change the particle type to Star and change birth size and death size to 0.02. Pre-compose them and name it Fireworks. Add glow effect to make it brighter. Create another new solid and name it Text Background. Add CC Particle System effect and change the particle type to Shaded and Faded Sphere. Decrease the birth and death size to 0.02. Change the birth rate to 250. And gravity to 0 again. Also, adjust the velocity. Make it bigger from the producer. Nice. Now write what you want. Pre-compose each element one by one. Use an alpha-matte for your background so your text appears. But it's not shown well, so let's add glow. Cool. Let's have a look. Okay, let's replace your text so it reveals after the firework. Change text background and firework to E-screen. Pre-compose your text and its background and name it text reveal. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-D and change both to E-screen. You can add CC radial fast blur effect if you want. Cool. Let's have a couple of fireworks. If you want to change the fireworks color, you can add hue saturations effect. It's so easy. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel.
Damn.